is there. She is waiting after me for the swings. Basically, there's people can do exercise here, anything, right? So my friend, could you? Ow!
It's so hard, Hafsa. But you are doing it. Oh, excellent, excellent.
The hands. Can I look at the hands?
Okay, yeah. Oh, Khadija is also doing. Hadi.
Can I go first? Yeah, look, say them two first. Just try hanging on it and hanging on it. Let's go show it. Hello?
Yes? Yeah, please. Oh, Maham, you are doing it so quickly. That's really nice.
Hello? After this, can we go?
Where?
M-A-M.
I think we have reached to park.
No.
Just hold on. A car is approaching
Look left
you.
and right.
Yeah.
Left?
Look left and then right.
Good lesson because I wasn't looking left and right.
You must look left and right.
If they let you go, you have to do this. So if they let you go, in this world, if they let some cars stop.
Yesterday we didn't come from that way. That was a quite different route.
There's a million. There's lots of ways to go to this part.
Lots of ways.
Yes.
Okay.
Lots and lots. We went to the nearest way.
That is the nearest route.
But the you know our auntie?
Auntie Gulshan or Nazia?
Navia. That
Yeah.
was the most close. We went to this.
That is the closest to her house.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
That's a basketball court.
Basketball court.
Yeah, a basketball court.
So you people can play there,
Yeah, but when the people don't do it.
but you people don't want to play. So we have reached to park.
When boys just enough.
Actually, people don't like to play with boys.
Yeah.
So that's why
Because they may be
someone is sitting there.
That's people.
People.
Can you see that? Can you see straight?
Yeah,
That is
it's
when you
so
start
greenery.
So basically, there's a new place that we'll go another day. It's another park. When her mum gets better, then we'll go. It's called Friendship Park.
Yeah. We will visit Friendship Park at some time.
Yes, it's very good. It's even bigger and has better.
Yeah, that's bigger and better.
Eastfield Park is way better because एक side just normal play, but the second side it has sand. Second side.
These houses are very near to park.
Yeah.
They can come at any time.
Yeah, and over there is some glass that you can play football on.
Oh,
And
that's
like
really
cricket and
nice.
I think that's
So we are going from that way?
Let's
Is it a proper way to reach there?
Let me see. Let's play here 10 minutes and then we'll play with the ball there.
All right.
Yeah, let's do that.
Someone is already playing, but that person is not playing. Oh,
Exercise. Hello, look at me. So basically, my favorite mountain.
oh, Dida couldn't catch. Oh, it's so high. Maham, be careful.
Climbing like a monkey on the tree. So obviously this is a place that anybody can go in. This is a monkey. Hello. This is my friend called Monkey Mahal.
वो लड़की का खड़ा है जो मुस्लिम है
Look at her. She is like a chicken.
खाली हम
Chicken
वाइट
teeth.